diving into the world of cap constructions. This is a hot topic worth sharing because it is the most frequently discussed subject. So what are the differences? Which one is the most natural looking and which one is best for beginners? Learning about the different cap constructions that we have available can feel like an overwhelming experience. So we're going to take a deep dive into the differences, the benefits and the disadvantages. If it is your first time here, hello, my name is Steph. I'm a wig specialist and designer here on YouTube and also in real life. It is my goal to help you become a pro yourself, or you may just be somebody who has a passion for wigs and hair loss awareness. If this sounds like something you're interested in, do please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to press that bell button so whenever I do post a new video, you'll be notified straight away. Whether if you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding the differences can help you make the best choice to suit your individual needs. First, let's break down the different cap designs we have available should you wish to have a customized order with us. You may also find some of these designs within our ready-to-ship wig collections. So we'll be covering our 4 main types, which is the beginner cap, our 13 by 6 inch lace frontal, our glueless full lace cap, and the complete full lace cap. Now, regardless of whichever one you choose, all of our wigs are designed to look natural. For example, I'm currently wearing a wig now as we speak. You wouldn't know whether if it is a beginner cap, a lace frontal, a complete full lace wig, or even a glueless full lace wig. It is ultimately down to the individual, how you would like to wear your wig and how you would like to style it. There are things to consider. You might be wanting something more suitable for your lifestyle, for example. It could be your career choice, or it quite simply could be a matter of convenience. But whatever that may be, I am here to help guide you through. So starting with the beginner cap, this is a great option if you are new to wigs. It is in fact our most popular choice simply because of the convenience that this cap design brings and the longevity you'll get out of it. It features a closed weft construction at the back, making it easy and fuss-free to wear. It resembles a medical cap because of the silicone strips placed at the back, which is great for people with medical hair loss conditions such as myself, but also great for people with hair and very little of. Like all of our cap designs, apart from our complete full lace cap, we have these adjustable straps located at the nape should you wish to cinch in the circumference for a tighter fit. We have silicone hoops positioned at the back to sit securely without the need of actually adding an adhesive. We have specifically structured a wide material positioned on the nape that is malleable so you can bend it in like this to sit and lay flush onto your nape. Now this is great should you wish to wear your wig into a ponytail, as it would sit secure onto the nape for a more natural and flush finish. As we move to the front, you have all this area of lace should you wish to freely part in whichever direction you wish, but not only that, it is also great for breathability purposes. So you're probably thinking, well, why is this cap considered glueless? Well, we also have silicone positioned here on either side of the ear tabs. We have designed it specifically to give you that natural hairline that we all desire from ear to ear, but not too much lace where it's left unattended. Essentially, it acts like an anchor or a foundation to hold the lace down. However though, people are comfortable with what they're used to, and even though an adhesive is not required, it doesn't necessarily mean you can't use it. I mean, I sometimes like to add a bit of tape from time to time. Now, our beginner caps are known to fit more snug if we were to compare them with the other cap constructions, and that is simply because of the added materials for an easy and fuss-free wear. However though, if you are ever unsure and you may find yourself that you have fallen in between cap sizes, which by the way is a very common thing, then please don't hesitate to email me, as I'd be more than happy to help guide you in choosing the correct cap size. Now, out of all of our caps, this one will provide you the most longevity, simply because no adhesives are required for a secure fit. Now, when you start adding glues, hairsprays and tapes, you are tampering with the lace. The lace is the most fragile part when it comes to all of our cap designs. It's exactly what makes the wig look natural. Now, we work with HD lace within all of our cap designs. If you don't know what that is, HD lace is high definition lace, which is the most finest and thinnest lace material on the market to give you that beautiful and invisible blend from skin to wig. So it is very important that you take special care of it. Also, glues and hairsprays promote product buildup, which eventually you end up washing the wig more than you should. Because wigs are made up of dead hair, it is no longer attached to the human scalp. Therefore, it is no longer getting those natural vitamins and minerals that it needs to feed off. Now, I know this sounds awful, but you do want to wash your wig as little as possible. Now, this cap construction does bring loads of benefits. However, there are some disadvantages. As you can see, we have made an outline of where the hairline is. Now, unfortunately, the hairline on our beginner caps is not as contoured as the other cap designs that we have available. And that is simply because we need to add more hair here to disguise the ear tabs. Now, if you are looking for a cap design where you would like to style your wig and it would require a parting at the back, for example, then I will probably advise not to use this cap design simply because you will end up exposing the tracks at the back. Next, we have our 13 by 6 inch lace frontal. Now, as you can see, immediately you have a more contoured natural hairline from ear to ear. Not only that, you have a 6-inch space of lace, which is a generous area of lace, to freely part your wig in whichever direction you wish. This is great for hairstyles such as maybe half up, half down styles. Of course, like the beginner cap, you can freely part the parting in whichever direction you wish. And also it's great if you want to add braids. It is almost identical to our beginner cap. However, the only difference is that there are no silicone strips at the back. And as I move it to the side, the ear tabs are far less visible. That means it requires less hair to disguise them, which therefore means that the hairline from ear to ear has a much lower density and therefore can be seen or considered more natural. Like the beginner cap, the V-wide ear tabs are malleable, so you can, of course, if I try, there we go, you can bend it in towards the temples should you wish to lay the lace flush. And that means you can also wear this glueless. However, even though the hairline is considered more natural, the downside is that it may require an adhesive to help lay down the lace. This is because there is more area of lace between where the hairline begins and where the ear tabs are, which can be quite tricky for beginners. So currently, should you wish to customize a beginner cap or a lace frontal, the processing times is 12 to 16 weeks. Moving on to a full lace wig. Now, this cap is lightweight and highly versatile, allowing you to style it in many ways thanks to the full lace cap construction. It is designed to be worn without glue like the 13 by 6 inch lace frontal because you have the similar ear tabs here, making it easier and for a quick application and removal. However, the space of lace from the hairline to the ear tabs is the same as our lace frontal, and therefore you may want to add an adhesive just to help lay the lace flush and to have a more secure wear. The longevity is impressive if it is looked after very well, but of course you have a variety of options, the diversity that this cap construction brings, simply because you can style it in many ways. Finally, we have the complete full lace wig. This is like the gold standard for versatility and realism. With lace all around, it's like the glueless option. You can part it anywhere, you can style it in various ways, and it blends in seamlessly. However, I cannot stress this enough. It is absolutely crucial that this will absolutely require a very strong adhesive for it to sit and stay on securely. As you can see, there are no additional elements built within this cap to mold to your head shape. There are no ear tabs, nor are there any adjustable straps for you to cinch in circumference. It will, again, absolutely and purely rely upon a very strong adhesive for it to sit and fit securely. There is absolutely nothing, it is just essentially a sheet of lace. But the hairstyling options are endless, and this is great for special occasions. For example, I went to the Hair and Beauty Awards this year, and I wanted to style my wig in a way that, I wanted a super sleek, snatched, low bun, like clean, super snatched bun. And this cap construction will absolutely allow you to have those kind of hairstyles. Now, of course, the craftsmanship to create any of our full lace cap designs will absolutely require a lot of attention to care and detail. Therefore, the processing times, should you want to have one of these customized, is considerably longer. Currently, it is 16 to 20 weeks. And that is because, as you can imagine, each individual hair strand to design these caps is hand tied onto the lace material, so it's going to take a lot of time. So of course, when it is being processed during the ventilation stage, it does require a lot of attention to care and detail, and it is incredibly time consuming. And because of that, this also means that they are the most expensive and require careful handling to maintain its lifespan. Now let's talk about longevity and diversity. Generally, the more intricate the cap construction is, the longer it will last. Our beginner cap and our 13 by 6 inch lace frontal often outlast our full lace cap designs. That is simply due to the additional materials. You know, if you have a wig that has wefts at the back, that is considered more durable simply because it is less likely to shed. Obviously, if we are going to discuss about a full lace, then of course each individual hair strand is hand tied onto that lace material. So therefore, a full lace wig will need more care. Additionally, wigs with more versatility, like our full lace options, can accommodate different styles and making them more diverse for wearers. Of course, if you are in a position that you can alternate between wigs, then these wigs will last you considerably longer. So each cap type has its benefits, and it also has its disadvantages. Beginner caps are user-friendly but limit styling options. Our 13 by 6 inch lace frontals provide a contoured hairline which can be considered more natural, which can be less beginner friendly if we were to consider the area of lace from where the hairline would begin to the ear tabs. Our glueless full lace wigs are convenient and versatile. However, some may argue that they lack security. Our complete full lace cap offers the most styling options. However, it will absolutely require a very strong adhesive. So which cap construction is right for you? It ultimately depends on the individual needs, experience, budget, and styling needs. I hope this was helpful, and I must thank you for watching all the way through. This is a lot of information to take in. I appreciate it can feel overwhelming, but as I mentioned, you're very welcome to stop, fast forward, rewind, or just come back to this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Give this video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts and preferences. And don't forget to subscribe for more wig tips and tutorials. And let's redefine beauty one wig at a time.